In this walkthrough, we'll show you how to apply a promo code inside the Trading 212 app or web platform so you can claim any eligible free share offer tied to your account. Promotions can vary by region and time, so what you see may look slightly different, but the process is the same. Make sure you're signed into your Trading 212 account and that you're using the latest version of the app or a modern browser for the smoothest experience. Start by opening Trading 212. You can use the mobile app or go to the official website in your browser. Once you're on the main screen and logged in, take a moment to let everything load fully. A stable internet connection helps here, especially when navigating menus. Next, look for the 3 horizontal lines at the top of the screen. This is the main menu icon, often called the hamburger menu. Depending on your device, it's usually in the top left or top right corner. If your screen is zoomed in or you're on a smaller device, you might need to scroll slightly or adjust the view to spot it. Tap or click those 3 lines to open the side menu. This reveals your account options and settings in one place. Take a quick glance at the section so you're oriented, then continue down the list. Scroll down and look for the option that mentions using a promo or promo code. It may appear as use promo code or something very similar. If you don't see it immediately, scroll a bit more. It's typically listed below the core trading and account sections. Select use promo code to open the promo entry screen. You'll see a field where you can type the code. Enter your valid promo code carefully, exactly as it was provided to you. Avoid adding spaces before or after the code, and don't share personal information in this field, only the code itself. If you're pasting it, double check that no extra characters were added. When you're ready, click or tap Apply. Give it a moment to process. You should see a confirmation message if the code is accepted. If you get an error, verify that the code hasn't expired and that it was entered correctly. Minor typos are the most common cause of issues. That's it. You've navigated to Trading 212, opened the main menu, found the promo section, entered your code, and applied it. Keep an eye out for any confirmation or follow-up details on how and when the free shares are credited to your account. Thanks for following along, and enjoy your reward.